Did you know that emotions are more important than logical order when you're preparing something? So you want to be memorable. Just remember that emotions are going to be way more important than the contents and the words. And I know you've got a script to read out and a particular process, but what's more important is the emotional energy in that. So what happens, brain processes spoken information in two orders, in this order. First, the emotional content of the amygdala, which is part of the limbic system, and secondly is the logic content, which is the prefrontal cortex. There's evidence that emotion in what we say is number one, and then the content. And we hardly talk about that, don't we? If anything, we're getting rid of it. We dismiss it as if it's not important. And so voice tone is the result of this order. The limbic system, which is coming from that emotional area of the amygdala, into the vagus nerve. The vagus nerve activates the recurrent laryngeal nerve. Here, there's a nerve that goes right into the larynx. Vocal cords are affected by that secondly, so the quality changes. The voice tone you have and keep producing. So after that, number 5, after the vocal cords, you get a certain tone that you carry. And you keep repeating it, and you have a certain sound. This could come from, hearing our parents speak, or people that we thought were really good speakers that we start to copy.